Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best audio editing software for podcasters. In this video, we'll explore professional recording and editing tools that can help you create high-quality podcast content. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your setup, we'll cover everything you need to know to choose the right software for your needs. Audio editing software generally falls into two main categories: recording tools and editing platforms. Recording tools like Audacity, Adobe Audition, and GarageBand allow you to capture audio from microphones and other sources. Editing platforms such as DaVinci Resolve, Reaper, and Pro Tools give you advanced capabilities to refine, mix, and polish your recordings. Understanding these categories will help you determine which type of software suits your workflow best. Let's start by comparing two popular options, Audacity and Adobe Audition. Audacity is a free, open-source software that works across Windows, Mac, and Linux. It offers basic editing features and multi-track recording, making it perfect for beginners who want to get started without spending money. Adobe Audition, on the other hand, is a professional-grade tool that costs money through a subscription. It provides advanced audio repair, spectral frequency display for detailed editing, and seamless integration with Adobe's Creative Cloud suite, along with artificial intelligence-powered features. Now let's look at GarageBand and Reaper. GarageBand is built directly into Mac and iOS devices, making it incredibly convenient for Apple users. It features an intuitive interface, includes a built-in sound library, and is perfect for beginners since it comes free with your Mac. Reaper is a lightweight digital audio workstation that runs on both Windows and Mac. It's highly customizable, affordable to purchase, and offers professional capabilities that rival much more expensive software, making it excellent for podcasters who want power without the high cost. DaVinci Resolve and Pro Tools represent different approaches to professional audio editing. DaVinci Resolve offers a free version with advanced color grading capabilities, multi-camera editing, built-in audio tools, and fusion for visual effects. While primarily known for video, it's excellent for podcast video content. Pro Tools is the industry-standard digital audio workstation used in professional studios worldwide. It's trusted for its professional workflow, extensive plugin support for additional audio processing, collaboration features for working with teams, and studio-grade audio quality that meets professional broadcasting standards. When choosing audio editing software, consider three important factors. First, think about your budget. Many free options are available, while others use subscription models or one-time purchases with varying costs. Second, consider your platform. Some software works only on Windows, others only on Mac, and some work cross-platform. Choose based on what computer you already own. Third, evaluate the learning curve. Some software like GarageBand is beginner-friendly and quick to learn, while professional-grade tools require more time and effort to master. Three essential features every podcaster needs are multi-track recording, audio effects and equalization, and waveform editing. Multi-track recording lets you record multiple audio sources at the same time, which is crucial for recording guest interviews or adding background music alongside your main voice. Audio effects and equalization tools help you enhance sound quality through noise reduction, compression to control volume levels, and equalization to adjust frequencies and improve clarity. Waveform editing provides visual representation of your audio, allowing you to precisely cut, trim, and arrange segments of your podcast with pixel-perfect accuracy. Here's a quick comparison of our featured software across key capabilities. All 5 platforms we discussed support multi-track recording, audio effects, and waveform editing. Audacity is free and gives you all essential features at no cost. Adobe Audition requires a monthly subscription but offers professional tools. GarageBand is free for Mac users and surprisingly capable. Reaper is affordable with a reasonable price tag for what it offers. Pro Tools represents a premium investment but is the industry standard in professional studios. Choose based on your budget and how serious you are about podcast production. For beginners just starting their podcast journey, we recommend beginning with Audacity. It's free, easy to learn without feeling overwhelming, covers all the fundamental features you need, and requires no complicated setup or registration. For experienced podcasters and professionals, either Adobe Audition or Pro Tools are excellent choices. These provide advanced features for creating professional quality audio, are recognized industry standards used by professionals worldwide, and deliver the output quality expected in professional broadcasting and distribution. Let's recap the 4 key takeaways from this guide. First, choose your software based on your budget and current skill level. Don't feel pressured to buy expensive tools if you're just starting. Second, make sure your chosen software includes essential features like multi-track recording and audio effects. Third, free options like Audacity are genuinely excellent for getting started and learning the fundamentals of audio editing. Finally, professional tools offer advanced capabilities and dedicated support when you're ready to level up. Remember, the best audio editing software is the one you'll actually use consistently in your podcast workflow. Start with what works for you, learn it well, and upgrade when you're ready.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.